What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work Burke. And today, we are talking about how to buy live cattle and make passive income. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, real quick, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to buy live cattle and make passive income. Okay, so I know you're like, man, D, you always coming up with some crazy ideas and crazy passive income opportunities and income opportunities. Yes, I do. That's what my channel is about. Income opportunities and ways, different ways to make more money. Save more money, build a better you and business. You know what I'm saying? So we stick to the script around here. Okay, so in my hunt for a new investment vehicle, you know what I'm saying? The investment vehicle. By the way, I really like the term investment vehicle. I'm probably gonna be using it a lot more in my videos. I like it. I love it. I kind of love it. Don't judge me. I feel like you're judging me. Are you judging me? I feel like you're judging me. Don't judge me. But seriously, I found this company, right? Came across this company by the name of Dime. Okay, it's Agridime. Okay, or Gridime. I'm not sure exactly how it's pronounced. It is what it is. All right. I found it. It came up in my news feed on Facebook or Instagram, one of the two. And hey, I'm putting you on. Okay, the website is agridime.com. You can check out the link in the description. Anyway, they are a meat distributor and they sell to restaurants, commercial accounts, and regular everyday customers like you and me. Okay, so they kind of hit both sides of the coin. They do business to business and consumer to business, or business to consumer, B2C, okay, and B2B. Yeah, there you go. Now, they have a way to invest in actual live cattle and make passive income. Who would have thought, right? Who would have thought about this? Not me, okay? Not me at all. But I'm gonna put you on, all right? They are offering cattle for sale at $2,000 per calf. Each calf is contracted into their proprietary beef supply chain. All cattle purchased during quarter one of 2022 will be guaranteed 15 to 20% yearly profits. Each calf purchased will be raised and finished on their partner farms in Kansas until they are ready to go to the butcher. Once your cattle have been processed, they sell the beef to their online store and grocery store customers. All of this results in a fair price for anyone who purchases Agridime beef and a generous profit for you as the owners of the cattle. Now, all of all customers that purchase cattle are issued a contract at the time of purchase certifying and describing payment of cattle contracts profits. All right, this is definitely an alternative method and an alternative form of investing worth taking a look at it. Okay, now remember, I'm not your financial advisor, and in no way, shape, or form am I affiliated with this company. This is just me, the wealth builder himself, putting you on to an opportunity that sounds interesting. You take it or you leave it. All right, have nothing to do with nothing. The money you invest, if you need it back, if you end up losing your whole investment, if you start getting antsy about your investment, that is something that I have nothing to do with. Okay, I'm just putting you on game and letting you see there are alternative ways to make money online or make passive income, whichever way you want to spin it. All right, and if you want to learn how you can become a wealth builder and join the movement, then check the first link in the description and get started today. Put your information in. It's free to put information in and watch a video to learn more. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Puddin' signing off for how to buy live cattle and make passive income. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm shooting